They both point to the exact same number, but they speak to two different worlds. One is the language of the street. The other is the language of the laboratory. Think of average as the human noun. It's what we use in our daily lives. The average person, the average score. It's comfortable and familiar. Average is a social concept. It describes what's normal in the real world. But mean, that's the technical noun. It belongs in a textbook. While average can be vague in casual talk, the mean is a precise mathematical calculation. It doesn't care about normality. It only cares about the formula. In a lab, you don't look for the average. You calculate the mean. Average is the story. Mean is the statistic. If you're talking to your neighbor, keep it average. If you're talking to a computer, keep it mean. One is how we see the world. The other is how we measure it.